So first of all, we will learn about mode. Mode is a set of observations that occurs most often. For example, in a school, if I have to find out which sport is most popular among the students, suppose I have football, cricket, badminton, and chess. I have these four sports or these four games in our school, and I have to find out which sport is among the students. So what I will do, I will do a survey and will ask the students which student like which sport. Suppose there are 4 students who like football, there are 6 students who like cricket, there are 10 students who like badminton, and there are the 20 students who like chess. Now, so here we can clearly see chess is the most popular game and this is liked by most of the students. So we can say the mode of this table is chess and it occurs most of the time, that is 20. Now if we have the small data like we have 2, 2, 1, 3, 5, 5, 7, 5 and 1. Now if I have to find out the mode of this data, so what I will do, I will count the number, how many times each number occurs. So here we can see 2 occurs 2 times, 1 also 2 times, 3 1 times, 5 3 times and 7 1 time. So it means the mode of the given data is 5 as it occurs most of the time. So it means mode is a set of the observation that occurs most often. So to find out the mode, what we will do, we will count the number that occur most of the time. That will be the mode of the data. Let's take some example to understand it. The first example is, we have given the ages of 11 cricket players and we have to find out the mode. So we know the mode is the value which occurs most frequently. So to find it, what we will do, we will arrange the number in ascending or descending order. Here I am arranging in ascending order. So here it is 28, 31, 32, 32 occurs 1, 2, 3, 2, 3 and 4 times. Then we have 34 1 time, 36, 38, 40 and then 41. So here clearly we can see 32 occurs maximum number of times. So it means the mode of the ages of 11 players is 32 years. So this is the way how we find the mode of any given data. Another question we have to find the mode of the data of this given table. So what we will do, we will just count the number which occurs maximum number of times. So here clearly we can see here 8 occurs maximum number of times. So it means in this mode will be 8. As here we have less data, so it will be easy for us to count and calculate the mode. And if we have the large data, so what we will do, we will find out the frequency, and the highest frequency number will be the mode, because the frequency, that is how many times at a specific number occur, that will tell the highest the frequency that will be the mode of the number. That we did here, that here we count the number of the students in each game, then the number that occurs maximum number of time will give us the mode. So this is the way to find out the mode of the data or the large data. So friends, today I covered the concept of the mode and I took some example based on the mode. In my next video, I will explain what we mean by the median and how we calculate the median, and we'll take some example based on that. And if you like my videos, don't forget to like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.